The Motorola Edge 50 Pro has just been leaked. This device is expected to draw a lot of attention from many people because the Edge 40 series was very successful in all its variants. So let's take a look below at some images of what this device would look like with a rather attractive design. One of them looks like brushed metal. This model is expected to arrive in the United States with the name Motorola Edge Plus 2024. One of the colors will be matte black. Then there will be another edition in purple. In addition to this other edition that I told you that I do not know what it will be called, what stands out is that apparently it will not incorporate the collaboration with Pantone. That would be quite strange since it was a differential point of Motorola devices, but remember that these are just initial renders, so possibly in the final release the collaboration will be integrated. Another thing that is reached to see is that the main camera would have an aperture f1.4. Apparently it would be 50 megapixels and would also have ultra-wide camera with 13 millimeters and telephoto camera with 73 millimeters, and it is said that it would also have zoom 6x capabilities. Possibly if they put a high-resolution sensor for the telephoto camera, they could make a crop and therefore achieve 6x with optical quality. Surely the digital zoom would be even higher. The screen would be 6.7 inches with 165 Hz in its refresh rate. It would have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 4500 mAh battery with 125 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging. This device could debut first in China under the name Motorola X50, and in fact Motorola is already starting to promote this device in China simply with a collaboration they have with Formula One, and also anticipating that it's going to have artificial intelligence features. So we are anxious to know this new Edge 50 series that will surely have very good members and very good proposals from Motorola. At least that's what it did recently in Mexico, having an attractive price with attractive specifications. Hopefully it will remain under that line so we can recommend it with much happiness.